Hi traders, and welcome to episode 77 of Trading Talk. My name's Matt and I'm one of the traders here on the desk. In this episode I show my traders how to use one of the key indicators that we use here on our trading desk. We've actually made this indicator into a custom one. It's not readily available in MT4, and I show my traders how to build and develop it into a fully automated system and how you can actually use this technique to enhance, use it as an entrance, or to improve the model which you're already building. Also want to be able to discuss the TradeView Algo Trading Conference 2018 because we're coming up to the final 20 tickets of the event now. So if you haven't already got a ticket, it's time to do so. I can imagine they're going to be gone before the end of next week. So if you want to give me a call, the number is on the bottom of this email. Also want to be able to mention the international trading competition because we're about to wrap up the final sprint competition, which is in the next 2 months. You actually win yourself flights, accommodation, a ticket for the Algo Trading Conference and the whole TradeView development program, which means you can start building and developing models just like the one I've shared today. But for anyone who simply can't wait to do that, I'd encourage you all to click on this link below and become a member of the TradeView Intermediate Workshop, and therefore we can start building and developing automated systems together straight away. I look forward to hearing from you all soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.